Batty money that.
Oh, it's batty money.
You tell the man said batty to get money, if you make money, that's how we win the money. If you never tell that we don't win the money. We will not win the money.
Welcome everybody, this is AC gang. Me name Abby aka Good Gal.
And your boy Capo there from Capo's TV. Subscribe, like, share, join the family.
Cause we vibes it, mad and extra. Achoo!
Whoa!
Welcome to the mad crew. And the summer sun say woo. Alright guys, so before we jump into the video, I want to big up Mimi from the Real Lewis family because she helped me with a prank a while ago. So guys, I want to go over to the Real Lewis family and go and go subscribe. I run go over to the Robinson family because Chrissy from the Robinson family introduced me to Mimi. So to all the big up on yourself guys, run go over to them channel, the link them in the description down below. So anyways guys, stay tuned. What's up AC gang? I know the good girl there, the good girl there. So people, as you can see by the title, good girl, I got up another dirty boy when you careful. So people don't come right us, come right us. Guys, last night I went up on TikTok, I scroll and so I'm so I look at something going where people are calling them granny and so basically I tell them I'm a prostitute and so I don't know if you see it but yeah guys, last night I see it. I'm saying no what's up? Today I have to jump on it. Come here for entertain and I have to get by the local dirty boy people. Guys, basically we always try and enter competition and so it involves money, Cause money can never too much. I will love money bad. So guys, I'm telling him say digital have a local competition where they give me 500 half a million and so 500,000 $500,000. Yeah man, at that. Yeah, I want ship for Gaba Armas people. I'm tell him that. And him say, I've had no go and enter so. So I'm tell him, so I'm gonna need him for the video. Yeah, so I'm gonna have him sit over there. So I'm gonna tell pure life on him. I'm not telling him exactly what I'm gonna tell him now. Cause who gonna get surprised though. But guys, basically, the lie I'm gonna tell, it I go draw him out. As something would definitely, I go piss him off. So I'm have to do this for see him reaction. So if you do, please subscribe. Run go over to my channel, Abby and Kepo JA. Run go over to Abby, so this is a good girl answer. And then go over to Kepo's TV and remember follow up on the gram. People, I'm not just stay tuned because I know a good girl answer and a good girl have to make sure that the thing them excited as. Alright, so I just spread up the bed so I go put them on. I put on one little pants because I try and set the two camera, because maybe the dirty boy lock off the camera because I love the light, so maybe I lock off the camera, so maybe set up another camera. Yeah guys, come on, catch everything. I want to see the dirty boy reaction. Just spam in the comment section with Team Abby. How does some dirty boy when you careful? How does some nasty boy yeah girl? Alright guys, so yeah, I'm gonna tell him to get ready now. Yeah. Alright, stay tuned.
Is this Abby I'm speaking with?
Yes, this is she.
Hi Abby, this is Claudia from the Digital Sweepstakes Division. Okay, so I wanted to give you a call because I did receive your DM on Instagram and it did show here that you entered for our sweepstakes. So I just have a couple questions
Okay.
Alright, so for the sweepstake, you are aware of the prize pieces, right?
Yes, 500,000 and a trip to the Bahamas.
Yes. And a question for you, Abby. Have you ever been to the Bahamas before?
Never.
How would you like that to be your
Oh, no.
In this pandemic right now, I would love to leave the country, you know?
No, leaving the country would definitely be something that everyone can use a little getaway.
Yeah.
For the sweepstake, I want to know, Abby, why do you feel like you deserve to win this prize?
I'm a young entrepreneur, right? So the money now would be good to put towards my business. We can introduce him right here beside me?
Yeah, man, you can bring him on. I would definitely love to speak with him.
Come now.
Alright.
Alright.
Hi, Capo.
Hi.
How are you?
We're good today, huh?
Alright, so this.
From Digital, the sweepstake division. So Abby did reach out to us DM on Instagram
Yeah.
regarding the prize that we have. We have a prize for $500,000 and also a trip from 2 to the Bahamas.
Trip for
And
two?
I don't know, you could hear her just now saying that, you guys can use a getaway.
Yeah.
We're down to choosing our 2 people to narrow it down, and then our headquarters is going to choose the winner. So we just wanted to call and, talk with you guys and just see how this will affect your life if you win this.
What do you mean, man?
Yes, if you're excited.
And this is how we for how long? Like, we need a break now, to tell you the truth. Like, we need some more money now. Just, things just look away right now, so.
Yeah.
A getaway that even be a big deal.
Yeah, and the thing is, I want this because Kepa is just so hardworking, right? You know, since the pandemic, like, we'd have to pick up like some serious job. Like, somebody tell me about a job opportunity, right? And Kepa look at me and say like, no, him now I'ma do it. Him rather do it. So since him do that job then now, like, I barely see him. Cause you know work I for put in, I barely see him. So sometimes when him come from work, I see him in the morning. So he would go out at night time, come back in the morning.
What?
Yeah, and then,
That is very rough. Let me tell you, I'm taking some notes.
Yeah.
yeah, and for like, I'm going to try and get personal right now because sometimes Kepo will have to even just like later. Depends on the type of work we do. Yes,
Like,
that's the type of work.
Like, come out of the video then, right? You come out of the video.
That's the type of work him do, and then sometimes when him come from work, like him pain
Boy, if you don't.
and even though this personal, me have to try and make sure some check on him bottom and all of that.
Abi, wait up. Abi.
Check on him bottom because him come back
No,
with
wait
bottom
up, bro.
sore up and all of that. So me have to make
No,
sure
wait,
say.
Abi, wait.
So me have to make sure say me that like how, yeah, and sometimes yeah, and him shame about it, but me have to make him know say this is not something for shame about. You know?
Again?
This is just a personal interview between us, Papa.
Yeah.
Yes, interview between us. This is nothing that's going public or anything, so
Yes.
it's okay, Abby. Go ahead and continue.
Yeah, so basically he's doing like a selling him body then. Yeah, because him never want me to do it, so him man up and say alright then him will do it and him will take everything. You know, sometimes I'm have to dress up like woman, go out in the street, and by the time him come back now, the next day, as I say, I barely see people where you going. The next day when I barely see him now, I have to make sure so I take care of him because him I do it man too. That's why I'm dress up like woman, you know, and then when he's ready for female or something, you know, him dress up like him man self and go out. But you know, I feel like I need a break now, so this opportunity would have been the best thing because the way you know him can stop the way I do. You know, so we have the money now for invest in our business, where him can just put all of this aside now. And you know, him want a break, him look a bottom need a break too, so we just take a look at trip go overseas. You know? Hello? You hear me?
Your story is very unique. Yes, I can hear you. Your story is very unique.
Yes.
And I really feel for you guys. You know, I interviewed someone else a few minutes ago,
Yes.
but they didn't really have any clues for the money. So I would like to talk to Capo, just to see how this will affect him, changing it.
Okay. Capo, tap. All right, I'm going to get it. Capo, come. Yeah, he's here. Couple come now. She understand you're not for shame. You know what you someone forgive investing?
Yes, yeah.
So you guys can hear, right?
Mm-hmm.
So I know Abby went in a little personal just now.
Very personal.
Like I said, this is just between this conversation. I just want to see like how would this change your life? How will this affect you? Because I know doing those things that Abby just mentioned it couldn't be it's not comfortable.
Yes, and in bottom is tired.
How would this change your life?
I make sure no say your bottom tired. Keep on we need this. Make sure know your bottom tired.
Well, it'll be a big change still, you know? So we need the money right now. And as I said before, whatever she said a while ago, I real talk, so it really help right now for today's show.
Yes.
Yeah.
Alright, awesome. I understand, and I know you might be short for words right now because of the whole situation, but like I said, this is just to get some questions answered. You know, I documented. I didn't put that personal stuff in it. It's just for, you know, my ear. I'm going to put that in the system. But the hard-working part is I'm definitely going to put that out there. How hard-working you are.
Mm-hmm.
And, you know, I really feel like you guys deserve this prize. So I'm going to speak with my supervisor.
Yes.
So that way I can let them know because your interview went better than the other individual that I spoke with. So I sent a message to my supervisor just now. I'm waiting on a response. So give me just a couple seconds here. Let me see what his answer is, okay?
Okay.
Oh, okay, good. So Abby,
Yes.
looks like you guys will be our winner because the first interview the manager said he wasn't feeling the responses. So congratulations. So happy for you guys. You guys can be able to spend more time together.
Yes.
Invest in your business.
Yes.
Grow your business. Grow your merch. Your wear, which is very beautiful. Oh my God, I'm so happy for you guys right now.
Thank you. How you feel?
I'm glad, man. I'm glad. It's a good look. It's a good look, man. Thank you very much.
A good look.
I never expect it at all. None at all.
So Abby,
Uh-huh.
It's kind of shocked me.
I have your email that you sent over to me in the DM.
Yeah.
I'm gonna send you some instructions on how to claim the prize and everything. I'm very, very ecstatic and excited for you all with this winning.
Thank you very much. I'll be waiting for the email.
Alright, bye-bye.
No problem, no problem. Thank you so much for your time and you guys have a lovely afternoon.
Same to you. Bye.
The woman know that too
But
now.
she never put it in or something.
Yeah, what the man?
What you know? Him just turn $500,000 here. And him a come here. Him a get a free trip and him a
Now, I
come
want to
here.
check my girl. I really have much fucking circle to do my teeth or I'm going to do the fuck with you. I tell you that better than man about the man.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, but you.
Teeth is no better than
Bruce, man, Batty. Bruce. What you talk about? I just make you. So we because I'm Batman then, basically.
No,
Can you try to move without
yeah, hard working. I would allow me for the
tell the man so that you know it. Let him have a woman a Batman.
See there now? She said she watch me. So look how me I tell her so when I live nowhere, she say I lie right here. You can't make sure no go lie in her teeth because people won't trust you. But if you're a Batman now, some of them would have been have a problem.
Man, immediately I damage the road, my girl. Fuck my reputation, I road. I'm telling my girl.
We just spend $500,000 here.
$500,000 woman. My girl, I can buy my rapid car right now. I can buy for me like. If you sell up my back here, you want to try to do? The man know, I tell the man like my man name now. I say more. Don't come again and fuck with them when they fuck with them.
First of all, I never say about the man.
You said me I said last.
Put
Put on woman clothes, you got first class comedy video, I got tell her, so the comedy video, put on woman clothes. Yeah, that's about go to her the right time. About the man thing that.
No, you put in the work. And then with that people love you and people hard working. And for the fact that you don't make me go there.
The man works 7 days a week and do some rough work at the man about the man business. I want to my
I feel like I said I want to be paid something to make my way.
I fuck with you, man. You think I like me?
I'm fucking with you.
You think you want money like that? You go work out and get money, my girl. Find something to do.
So what we are now?
That's like you tell me one thing, me.
So what? Actually, I didn't know when you respond to phone. Like, woman, who they think she's a man respond to phone.
I will do that again.
But I didn't talk.
Yeah, but tell like I'm coming. No before, we know we have to talk.
But tell us I'm not tell like. But tell us I'm
I will tell her a story for me to believe you. A strong story with the money. I think I will tell her I'm about the money.
So that's strong.
I fuck, I mean, I'm fishy story want to know my money.
Yeah, but it's alright. Bomba. Yeah, I'm not country. You don't have to come country. That's it.
You don't have to come on. Just give me that fucking money there.
Yeah,
You want my money? You can't use my name and get money, so I'm about my name and got that worry.
You can't get to my money. The money I was split.
Back to my business, yo.
If I say that, you should have agreed to nothing then.
I'll be big man.
You should
You
have
never agreed
agreed
to
to
about
nothing.
my business, man. That's sharp.
Yeah, but
You never agreed to about my business.
But
You
I
say
mean-
about my people, tell her a story, make she believe it. So we're moving the money. You say something about my story?
so I'm going to tell you, maybe I would want to be I see them all win now.
My girl, what can do something that things about. You know, I tell my more time, you cut up and ball up, they fuck you, you know. And act like they're right, you know.
Yeah, but it's not
You know,
about
fuck
me
you.
right now.
You know, fool shit like come up like
Me know say, me know say me have to do certain things in order for win that shit. And yeah, the woman said, she hear enough story, but them not able to win the story when me just
You better go fuck yourself, man, because you know, I mean, anyway, let's talk about when I'm fucking money, you just me take her back, you know. When you get the money, take her back and
You cannot do that because that's not a figure brand. You cannot
woman, I'm
do
picking
that.
up family, she just watch a freaking challenge. I got to tell her to the man and
She not gonna tell nobody because she
oh,
tell
can't
you
go
she
to
do
this
that.
money.
That
Fuck you, know.
information is supposed to be confidential. So if she do that, she going to lose her own. She cannot do that.
Now I'm on a fucking trip with you.
Alright,
Sabotage, man. Sabotage, man.
alright.
Fuck with you.
But cannot talk as I did idea, but never know who was a shame. I know say she was a channel. So I cannot tell her that when the woman was
We're
bad and
fucking
now
trip. We're going to get embarrassed on video while ago. On phone call. My girl, up to you. I'm really sick in the head or something, man. I'm good. Yo.
say not to say win.
I'm going to tell you what. Back the money that. Oh my God. Back the money that, my girl.
Where me?
What? What you say now?
Where me go back to money capper? But sit down here, I will do the interview together.
And back the money that.
Always back the money.
You tell the man said back if you get the money. If you make money. That's how we win the money. If you never tell that we don't win the money. And I tell you.
Nah,
We not win the money.
we don't
You
know
said
that.
they won't tell that friend make win the money though. If I back the money that I did. I'm not spending back the money there now.
Me I tell her to go right by so look how much they get up and tell like people fight over back in my heart, so that people hear them sad story there. Them quick for help.
Yeah.
And they act like a idiot boy and tell my email. I don't talk about back the money. I don't know where I be so strong for. And you know.
The fuck out of the room. Yo, that's easy, man. That's easy. Yeah, that's easy. Fuck up. That's easy, man. That's easy, man. Easy.
No, yeah, but you know what I'm saying? So you really would have got email? No, I'm for that joke I said. For that joke, I like the fact say change all out there, so you know. But you come and talk about, you have to tell him my email. And email and tell us, like, you think that would have been a smart move?
What you mean?
Smart move.
After we got a place.
No, but still. Yeah,
What's
but
your name?
yes, that sounds good.
But yeah, but put on girl clothes. I think if you tell us to do comedy video, you know, you go tell her about go to road. Fuck yeah, man.
Wait a
So
minute.
I'm going
Look at me there.
to say that to you still.
So,
Who that man then? Who that man then?
Chrissy, introduce me to her from the real Lewis family. Hey, she friend with dinner because we never did really know she look at her. And she come, hey, she make me nervous. I hear that. And she call like a real professional. No? At them time, I'm nervous. And I feel like I'm really in our interview.
Yeah, man, this is Mimi from the real Lewis family. On the run over there, we have a whole heap of nice things over there. We cook food every Wednesday. So, who are struggling in the kitchen and can come learn a thing or two.
Yeah.
Pick up on yourself, Abby and Capo.
That's true. Yeah, you know me, I go over there, come on, learn for cook. But,
Yeah.
Capo rub me, like Capo literally rub me a while ago.
Never had it when you live on the phone call the person. So you want to call hang up.
What's Capo? Just know say one of them days they go come where you get the money there, you don't have to worry about nothing.
Alright, later.
Yourself.
No, sir. Yeah, how you feel?
Abby, you bought my name. And I'm sure I tell you. You know, them joke the air. If I want to stand up on camera, the woman, I'm going to ask me no woman from them. I know she will be a disrespect, so you know it. But then I fuck you the same way.
But at the end of the day, it was a prank.
No, yeah, but the friend and man.
You remember the last time I tell you, I was sitting there, so don't they say you tell her about me jog, bro?
But them say I don't know fishing nothing. I'm telling them say we're going
Yeah, I say this is your karma. This is your karma. How it feel? Keep up about the dirty boy with it. I want some dirty boy with him, Capo.